We're driving up that canyon.
Ooh.
Let's get some. We're at the top, so let's go walk around and like this video before we go. Let's go.
Give me your hand.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't know why Mom's taking so long. Let's see.
What's she doing?
Okay.
Oh, she's brushing her hair.
Dad.
It's part of the Jeep life, Elle.
Yep. But Dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are your pants dry?
No, it's still wet. Yeah.
What happened?
She was opening her what's that drink called again?
I don't know.
Red Bull. Oh, yeah. She was opening her Red Bull and then it exploded onto her pants.
They're mostly dry though.
Okay.
What should we name him?
Thomas.
Hello, Thomas.
It's for construction. Come on, let's go. Oh.
Ooh.
Guys, we had a problem. We thought we couldn't like go to walk around the lake, but we couldn't. Guys, guess what? On these sunglasses, it could be all pink. Try them, black.
Whoa. Everything's pink. Because
Guys,
pink is my favorite color.
I'm not like that. But guys, comment down below if you heard this song. Waka waka, waka waka.
What is that song?
But give a thumbs up actually if you know that song.
Oh, look at this.
Wait, I want to see this. What is this?
It says Beavers, Wetland Architects. Ooh, this is cool.
Looks like we're gonna see them properly.
I don't know. I bet they're hard to see down there. Whew, that's cool though.
Can I touch the ball?
Yeah, touch it.
Oh, it feels weird. Feel it, Dad.
Well, that's just an idea of kind of what the beaver's head looks like. Is that cool?
Feels weird.
Yeah. Whoa!
Guys, we're gonna go.
Don't fall into the marshland, Elle.
What?
So don't fall into the marshland while you're running.
Cause guys, down there it's muddy water. See, guys? Do you see like water?
Oh yeah.
That's very deep, guys.
Oh, look at this. See this? This is a dam that a beaver built.
Yep.
Yeah.
You might think it's not. You might think it's not deep, but it is.
Yep.
Oh my God!
Something flying around?
It just went on me.
That's okay. Lots of things flying. Tay, you been fishing?
No,
No?
I don't fish.
I want to do it.
Looks like you caught a fish. Hey, that's like when Adley found one, huh? Shout out A for Adley. We just watched your video where you got a big fish on your shore.
Yeah. But it was actually a prank.
Oh, that was just a prank?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think. Yeah.
Oh, did you see the bald eagle over there?
Where?
No, the one up there in the tree, remember?
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we can get him on video at all. There he goes. See how? Too many bugs? So usually, you see a moose out here or something. It's so cool. But no moose today. Should we head back to the car? Get away from these mosquitoes? No? Okay.
I still want to walk around.
Okay, we're gonna head back. Oh. Ooh, these are the ones you can try and find. It's a salamander, chorus frog, and a boreal toad.
What's that one?
That's a salamander again. It's saying, please don't take me home. We live here. All right, let's get out of here. These mosquitoes.
Wait, guys, come here. This one has a very bulgy eye.
Very bulgy.
Yeah, look.
I don't know what that is on there. I don't think that's normal. All right.
Hey guys, I gotta catch up.
We gotta catch up.
Thanks for coming with us. Like and subscribe and share it to your friends.
Thanks for visiting. Bye.
We got back from our hiking and we got Wendy's. Now let's try the strawberry frosty. Now we got this.
Oh, spoon. Oh, strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah. I haven't had the strawberry one yet.
Yeah. But we gotta open it just so you know it doesn't have a hole.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
I was thought there was some leaking.
Do you want me to help you?
No.
Ugh. Ugh. Oh.
Good
Let's look at that. That looks good.
It smells like strawberry the
Milk?
yeah, strawberry milk.
Well, that's crazy.
Maybe it is.
All right, let's.
It tastes like strawberry milk. Maybe it's a strawberry milk.
All right.
Is it good? Thumbs
Yeah.
up?
What's the verdict?
Thumbs down?
Is it as good as the chocolate and vanilla one, or?
I give it a 10 out of 10, 100 million out of all the numbers.
Oh my goodness, that's good. It's good.
Yeah.
All right.
Do you want to try a little bit there?
Ooh, here. Yeah. Oh, give them some. Oh, you spilled. That's okay. Give them some. Yeah. Oh. Oh, was that good, guys?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for going hiking with us. Thanks for trying strawberry shakes with us.
Yeah. Guys, there's flies in our house.
We're gonna. Oh, there's a fly.
Oh no.
We like to leave the door open. Mom gets mad. All right. All right. Thanks.
But we leave it half open.
Yep.
So thanks for watching. Bye.